Daniel Michael Andrews is an Australian politician who is the 48th and incumbent Premier of Victoria, a post he has held since 2014. He has been the state leader of the Australian Labor Party since 2010 and from 2010 to 2014 was leader of the opposition. Andrews has represented the Legislative Assembly seat of Mulgrave since the 2002 election and served as a parliamentary secretary and minister in the Bracks and Brumby governments. He led the ALP to victory at the 2014 state election, defeating the incumbent coalition government, and won re-election at the 2018 election with an increased majority. Andrews was born in Williamstown, a southwestern suburb of Melbourne, to Bob and Jan Andrews. In 1983, his family moved to Wangaratta in northeastern Victoria, where he was educated at the Marist Brothers Galen Catholic College. Andrews moved back to Melbourne in 1990 to attend Monash University, where he was a resident of Mannix College and graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Politics and Classics in 1996. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.